Introduction. This book provides an in-depth exploration of gun control policies, firearm-related subjects, and sociological aspects of sports shooting. The aim of this book is not to provide legal advice with regard to firearm laws, but rather firstly to profile the range of approaches to gun control around the world, and secondly to compare and contrast the many worldviews related to gun control from an international perspective. If you are seeking legal advice concerning firearms, it is advisable to engage with an attorney specializing in firearms law or criminal defense. Various options are available, such as local attorneys who possess knowledge of state and federal gun laws. Online legal directories like Avo, FindLaw, or Martindale-Hubbell facilitate searches based on practice areas and location. State Bar Association websites often provide directories for locating attorneys with expertise in firearms law within your region. Firearms advocacy organizations may offer legal resources or referrals to specialized attorneys. Seeking referrals from friends, family, or colleagues who have faced similar legal issues is another effective approach. The Public Defender's Office can be contacted if facing criminal charges related to firearms and unable to afford private representation. It is important to note that laws and regulations pertaining to gun control are subject to change. Therefore, individuals seeking the most up-to-date information are advised to refer to the latest legal documents or consult with local authorities to ensure compliance with current regulations and requirements. Firearms laws vary widely around the world, reflecting the diverse cultural, historical, and political contexts of different countries. The regulations and restrictions on firearm ownership and purchase are influenced by a variety of factors, including constitutional rights, federal and state laws, and historical events. For instance, in the United States, the Second Amendment of the U.S. Constitution protects the right to bear arms, leading to a mix of permissive and restrictive laws across different states. Sarkiapone et al., 2011. Similarly, in Canada, firearms are generally regulated by the federal government, and there are restrictions on certain types of firearms, with a relatively strict approach to handgun ownership. Zioli et al., 2017. In contrast, the United Kingdom has strict firearm control laws, heavily restricting handguns and prohibiting automatic weapons, with ownership requiring a valid reason where self-defense is not typically considered a valid reason. Chapman et al., 2015. Australia also has highly regulated firearms, with strict licensing requirements, and a significant buyback program in 1996 led to the confiscation of many semi-automatic firearms after a mass shooting in Port Arthur. Saunders et al., 2017.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?